Hello and welcome to tutorial for test generation in a test management suite. In this tutorial, we will be covering the topic of test generation, which allows the user to create test cases for a project automatically. So we already have a project that has been created, and we have also mapped the requirements towards that project. So it's called Term 20 Policy Administration System. This is our project. We can check out the details of this project by clicking the view icon. We can see all the general details here. For the purposes of test generation, we are not much concerned with these general details. We can see the employees which are mapped towards this project. However, for test generation, we are not even concerned about the employees. We can see there's only one employee that is being mapped to this project. Yes. So now we come to the project scope tab, and this is the most important tab when it comes to test generation. These are all the requirements which are mapped towards the project. We can check out which all products have been mapped to the project. So we have unit linked endowment and term 20 products here. We have mapped the attributes of the term 20 products towards this project. So we can check out the attributes as well. So we can see that there are 6 attributes which are mapped towards this product, one of which is also a table. So the table looks like this. It's an entry age minimum and maximum table. It has all the plan variants on the columns and it has the entry ages in the rows. So we have uploaded this table on a test as well, and we have mapped the table attributes towards this requirement. We can see the whole project is completed here. So we also have a test plan for the same project. We can check out the test plan by going to the test plan screen, and we can see in the list of test plan we have our project's test plan. However, when we check out the test cases for this test plan, we will see that there are no test cases available. You will also get a message here saying that test cases are not present for the selected project. This is because no test cases have been created towards this project as of now. Now we will be automatically creating several test cases depending upon what requirements and attributes we have put in. Automatically this will be happening through a test. A test itself will be creating these test cases. So what we have to do is we have to go to the test generation screen. To access it, you just need to click on the test generation button, which is under the test processes submenu. Here you will be finding that there are 2 fields. First is a project field, where you can find your project in the drop down. Select that project. Then you have the test plan names field. Here you can just select the test plan that is mapped towards your project. After completing these 2 fields, just click on the submit button. After the test generation is completed, you will get a message saying that test scenarios and test cases got generated successfully. Then click OK on it. Then you can check out the test scenarios for the project. So we have a project here. And we can see all the test cases depending upon all the attributes we had given to the test. They have been created. So these are the scenarios which have been created. You can check out one scenario. These are the test cases which are mapped towards the project. So we can see there's these many test cases which are mapped towards the project. We can check out the test cases individually as well. This is our project on the test case screen. And these are the test cases available for the whole project. In the test case screen, we can also see the expected results as per the table that we have provided. We can view the details of a single test case by clicking on the view icon. and here we can find the details regarding the test case. Yes, you can see this. Even the data regarding the test case is provided and automatically filled. So we can see all the attribute codes and names and all the attributes values are automatically filled. This will be helping us in terms of executions. So now, after all the test cases have been created, you can carry on with the execution. When you have to manually create all these test cases, it would be taking you a lot of time. But through a test, you were able to complete the creation of test cases within 5 minutes. We can see there are more than 40 test cases that have been created here, and this will be helping us a lot when it comes to quality assurance. Okay, so we have created all the test scenarios and the test cases on a test. Now we can also take these test scenarios and test cases out of a test and export them into an Excel file. Let's see how to do that. So we just have to go to the report submenu, and we have two options here. There is project reports and there's organization reports. Let's click on project reports. Then the project report screen will open up. Here we have fields. So we'll select in the report name the first the test scenario report. We'll select the report level, it's project at this time. Then in the project field, we will select the project that we want to get the report of. So we have a project here. Then we can select the report format. We can have it in PDF also, but let's go for Excel. We can generate the report and it will get downloaded. You can just click on it. And we can see all the test scenarios that have been created. The details about all those test scenarios is present in this report, in Excel sheet. So these are all the details of the test scenarios. Now let's also get the report for test cases. In the same manner as test scenarios, we can find out the report for test case. So this is the Excel sheet containing all the details of all the test cases that have been created. You can find out the details. We have the test plan name, we have the scenario ID that has been mapped to the test case, we have the test case name, and most importantly, the test case data. So all of this is in an Excel sheet, and this can be used for all the executions. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you have a great time using the test. Thank you.